Hello students, welcome back to your virtual classroom. Today we will continue with topic maps and globes. After watching this module, you will be able to define globe and understand its purpose. You will also understand the difference between maps and globe. Children, in the last class you studied about maps. In today's class, we will understand what is a globe. Any idea? Let me tell you. A globe is a small model of the earth. It is round like the earth. As you can see in this picture, it is the mini model of the earth. Mini means small. It shows the different continents and oceans like maps. Globes can show different countries or landforms. Now, you must be thinking that both maps and globes are used to study the earth. Then, how are they different? Let us understand the difference between map and globe. The very first difference is globes are round and are difficult to carry around, but maps are flat and they can be folded or rolled up and carried easily. You know, children, maps can be printed in books and used on different devices like smartphones. The second difference is a globe always shows the whole world. A map can show the whole world or a part of it, like a country, state, or city. That is why a map can show greater detail. As the globe shows the whole world in a small space, it cannot show much detail. When a map shows only a part of the world, it shows greater detail. So, you will find more cities marked on India's map in an atlas than on a common globe. Next difference is a globe shows the shapes and comparative sizes of the continents and oceans correctly. A map does not. Why? This is because the earth is round like a globe and not flat like a map. The shapes on a map, especially those near the poles, get changed. This happens. Any idea? Okay, let me tell you. This happens because the poles, which are points on the earth, as you can see on the globe, get stretched out in a map. Look at your right hand side. That is why the shape of Antarctica, which is shown correctly on a globe, gets stretched out in a world map. Please look at this picture carefully. The shape of Antarctica on the globe and the shape of Antarctica on the map. There is a difference between both. Now let's have a quick recap of this session. What we have learned today? Yes, we learnt about globes and the difference between map and globe. So let us understand in brief points. Map is flat and the globe is round. Map shows the whole world or a part of it. but globe always shows the whole world. Map can show greater detail, but on the other hand, globe cannot show much detail. Maps can't show the shapes and comparative sizes of the continents and oceans correctly, but the globes show the shapes and the comparative sizes of the continents and oceans correctly. This you have seen in the Antarctica example. The last one is that map can be carried easily because they can be folded, and globe can be difficult to carry around. I hope today's topic is clear to you. Thank you.